Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 4-hour chart of GBP USD. A disclaimer that I'm not a big fan of GBP USD, so I'll try to keep the video short. If I miss anything, please write down in the comments section. I would love to learn from you. I do not like the volatility of GBP USD, so maybe I prefer to avoid most of the time. But yes, people have a craze, they have a love desire for GBP USD. So here goes GBP USD. As we all know that GBP USD is an overall uptrend and there is no doubt about it. But if we focus on the present trend of the market here, then we can clearly see that the present trend of the market is bearish. Sellers are dominating. And if we see that overall the structure of the market is like this. So if you're a swing trader or if you're a positional trader, then obviously buy at dip or buy at support should be your strategy. And right now you can see that market is also approaching the support. So where is the support? The support can be around the 200 moving average that has been acting as a dynamic support or resistance for quite some time. So first of all, market closed at 1.2851. This is the last traded price of GBP USD. And to be honest, I don't think so that this area of the market is a good level to trade. So if possible, try to avoid any trade right at the market opening. It doesn't matter whether you're forex trader, stock trader, commodity trader. Trading right at the opening is not advisable in any market. So it's better to wait and watch. And as we all know it very well that during the first half of Monday, we don't get to see much volatility. If you have any ongoing position, be on the trade. But if you're looking for fresh opportunity, it is better to wait for the price instead of chasing the market. So the first level, the first support on the chart of GBP USD is 1.2763 or 1.2760. It can be 1.2758 as well. Here we have the 200 moving average. If the volatility of the market is not very high, then there's a good chance that market will take support around this area. If you see market taking support, market showing price rejection from below, market forming a hammer pattern, will give you the confirmation that yes, this moving average is acting as dynamic support and you can look for a buy position. On the chart of Euro USD, I told you guys that you can look for a sell if market breaks the level here, but in case of GBP USD, I will not recommend that because we have immediate supports available. So to be on a safer side, buy at retracement is still the best trading strategy, whether you are a day trader or whether you are a swing trader. So if market comes down, observe the market around the 200 moving average. Good chance that market will take support. And in case of heavy volatility in the market, let's say assume the market is very volatile, in that case look for some support around the 50 FIBO 50% retracement here, because we can see that market took support at the FIBO 38.2. so this gives us the confirmation that our FIBO setup is good, that the FIBO setup is valid. So obviously FIBO 50 will also provide some support to the market. So if market drops, then the second support on the chart of GBP USD will be around 1.2720. And I have already said many times in my previous videos that FIBO 50% retracement and 61.8 are very good when it comes to GBP USD. So if market drops also around this level, I can expect a bounce. If not a complete trend reversal, at least we can expect a bounce of 30 to 40 pips. And personally, I'll try to buy. So if market takes support and bounces, we can definitely hit the buy button with proper risk management. In short, as the overall trend of the market is still bullish, so it is better to look for buy at dip or buy at support, whether you are a swing trader or positional trader or a day trader. The first support is around 1.2763, around the 200 moving average. If market takes support and bounces, well and good, we can go for a buy. But in case of heavy volatility, heavy sell pressure, market may break it and we can look for a support around 1.2720, 1.2715, the FIBO 50% retracement level. Okay, and as market has closed at FIBO 38.2%, if you're holding a buy position, be on the trade, no need to exit. But if you're holding a sell position, be careful, because the market sentiment is not very positive right now. Let me show you. This is DXY, and DXY is in recovery mode. And if you look at the news, you can see dollar moves higher ahead of expected Fed rate hike next week. So market is expecting rate hike, as a result of which dollar index is showing a recovery. After hitting double digit, DXY is recovering. And DXY, okay, if DXY continues the upside on Monday as well, then the 101.50 will be the first resistance and 102 will be the second resistance. Do not expect complete trend reversal before FOMC, but at least you will see sellers okay, giving some pressure to the market. Okay, and when is the news coming up? Then the news is coming up on Wednesday. You can see FOMC on Wednesday, so this will bring some volatility to the market. And if you're swing trader, it is better to wait for Wednesday, because after Wednesday only you will get a proper idea, clear direction about the market. Yeah, and let's go back to GBPUSD. Let me remove this bigger FIBO. Okay, so if market tries to recover, and if you're daredevil kind of a trader, if you have the risk appetite, then you can look for some selling opportunity. Beginners, new traders, try to avoid this thing. Okay, because to take a sell position in an uptrend market requires experience. If you don't have that, don't do it, and especially risk management skills. So first level is around 1.2950. Why 2950? Because we can see that previous price rejection around this area, as well as FIBO 38.2. Then we have 1.2980. This is the second level, FIBO 50% retracement level, and along with that we also have previous support acting as resistance. So in case market shows upside, and if you see that the volatility of the market is not very high, you can expect some selling pressure around this area. If you get the confirmation in the form of price rejection from above, you can simply go to 1 hour time frame also, because confirmation on 4 hours time frame is very boring and slow. So if simply go to 1 hour time frame, and if you see that market is showing price rejection from above, market is facing some selling pressure, you can obviously take a sell position around 1.2950 or 1.2980 as well. But as I said, the structure of the market is still very much bullish, so as a result it is safer to take buy position at retracement or at support levels. But as the dollar index is recovering, hoping for a rate hike next week, you need to be careful as well. So this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well, so please follow proper risk management. As I always say, okay, capital protection should be your first priority always. So be a trader, not a gambler. Bye bye, take care, and have a happy weekend. Enjoy the time with your friends and family. Bye bye.